That's all you got?
Give me a soda and I can burp. I don't have one.
Wait. Maybe you don't have to fart. That was good.
I'm trying. Hold on. I just did one. You missed it. Of course, you take it away from me when I burp. So cute.
Oh, that was all the same one. It just stopped in the middle. Nice.
I do not have a soda. Did you hear me when I burp?
Good one. Oh, it's in there. Hate that. Oh, that hurts.
That was such a good one.
I think there's more in there, but it'll come out later.
Oh, wait. I'm going to get a soda.
No one's gonna top my burps. I'm owning this.
No, I will. I have to sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on.
Oh, I got the camera. I'm killing it. You guys got nothing on this. Or this. And how old are you? I'm owning you guys.
Oh, stop.
Then sneeze.
You have to sneeze. Hold on. I'm trying.
Oh, there's still more in there. Is your dad gonna get mad? Are we that loud? Can he hear us, do you think?
Sleeping.
I wasn't sure if they can hear. Okay.
Ew, about me. I'm a girl who likes to burp.
Come on.
I can't
Try
do
it.
it.
Try it. Go for it.
I can't do it. Katie, stop. But Katie farts a lot. She farts in my car a lot. I do fart a lot.
Let one out. Let one out.
It smells. No. I have to roll the windows down.
Is it?
So they're lactose intolerant. Oh my goodness.
There's more in this tank. I can't get it all out. Does it smell worse than poop mixed with salsa verde?
Oh yeah. Salsa verde.
Does it smell worse than that?
Oh, that one girl's video. It smells much worse, trust me. I have to roll the windows down and the sunroof back. Yeah. And then go like 60, maybe.
In what?
80.
In what?
My Jetta. That's totaled now. Cause someone hit. I can't do it anymore. There's one right here. How long is this video?
Open your mouth.
No, I can't.
No, it'll look like it's you. Just a second. When I point at you, open your mouth.
But you're saying it on the video.
Good one.
I still have to sneeze.
Sneeze then.
I got one.
For me again? Oh, or from you.
For me.
Okay, go. Oh, just a second. Good one. High five.
That was all you got one.
Oh, that was all me. Did you hear that? That was long. That was a good one. I think we gotta end on. Oh, end on a snort. Wait. Shh.
Oh no, it was silent.
Oh no. One more. We gotta end on a snort.